More victims to speak at day 2 of Larry Nassar sentencing hearing. More sexual assault victims are scheduled to speak today at the sentencing hearing for Larry Nassar, a former doctor who worked with Michigan State University, USA Gymnastics and other institutions. Nassar will be sentenced this week on 7 first-degree criminal sexual abuse charges for touching his patients' genital areas under the guise of medical treatment. However, nearly 150 women have accused Nassar of abuse, and almost 100 are scheduled to speak at the sentencing hearing, which began Tuesday in Ingham County Circuit Court. More than 24 women addressed Nassar and Judge Rosemary Aquilina, or had their victim statements read Tuesday. Some spoke amid tears, others were coldly angry about their treatment by Nassar and the impact on their lives. These are lifelong traumas that have changed the way I walk in the world, said Amanda Cormier, who was a Nassar patient when she was 15 to 17 years old. The Ingham County case against Nassar originally involves allegations from 7 women who said they were abused by Nassar at MSU's sports medicine clinic and at his home in Holt. 6 of those women are former patients, and the 7th woman was a family friend who alleged she was abused while visiting the doctor's Holt home between 1998 and 2004. Nassar worked with USA Gymnastics as the team doctor and was considered a well-respected doctor in the sport, accompanying gymnasts to 4 Olympic Games. He stopped working with USA Gymnastics in 2015 and was fired by MSU in September 2016 after 2 former patients publicly accused him of sexual abuse. Nassar is already facing 60 years in prison on federal charges after pleading guilty in U.S. District Court to possessing child pornography, receipt of child pornography and obstruction of justice for trying to destroy evidence last year as police closed in. Nassar will also be sentenced on 3 more first-degree criminal sexual abuse charges in Eden County Circuit Court 10 a.m. January 31st related to assaults that occurred at Twistars, a gymnastics facility in Dimondale, Mich. Nassar and the institutions he worked with are co-defendants in multiple lawsuits by at least 140 women and girls who say the institutions ignored or failed to effectively investigate sexual assault complaints against Nassar. MSU attorneys filed a motion Friday to dismiss the university as a co-defendant in Nassar lawsuits, as well as 3 individuals named as co-defendants: Kathy Klages, former MSU gymnastics coach, Dr. Jeffrey Coben, former head of MSU's sports medicine clinic, and Dr. William Strample, former dean of the MSU College of Osteopathic Medicine. Continue following MLive for updates on Nassar's Ingham County sentencing this week.